Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Kwakol.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making headlines in the markets today.
UK consumer prices rose 10.1% last month, the first double-digit reading in 4 decades, and energy costs are set to soar further this winter. Euro area inflation just managed to slip below the 10% mark, and the bloc's economy is seen shrinking next year, led by a contraction in Germany. Japanese authorities are likely to have spent more than $30 billion last week in their second intervention in a month to prop up the yen after it fell to a fresh 32-year low against the dollar, according to estimates by traders. The US government has signalled a new era of activist intervention in international oil markets, experts said, with the White House increasingly willing to use its strategic stockpiles of crude to manage global prices. The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed 1.5% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The gold-dollar pair skyrocketed 1.8% in the last session. The Williams indicator's positive signal contradicts our overall technical analysis. The oil-dollar pair gained 0.6% in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal which matches our overall technical analysis. The US Chicago Fed National Activity Index will be released at 12:30 GMT. The US 3-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT. The US 6-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT. Finland's Producer Price Index will be released at 0500 hours GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Manufacturing PMI at 0000 hours and 30 GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Services PMI at 0000 hours and 30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's Financial Review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.